Hi, this is Vizio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to have a blank name for your Instagram highlight. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Customizing your Instagram profile can help it stand out and reflect your personality. One way to do this by creating a blank name for your Instagram story highlight. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to create a blank title for your highlight on Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just tap on your profile. You can go to your profile. As you can see, here's my highlight with the cat's title on here, and I want to change it. I want to remove this name. I want to make it blank title. You can just tap and hold and tap on edit. When we delete this name and tap on done, it will turn out like this. Instagram will give this highlight name with highlight. Even we have removed the name like this, it will still appear like this on our highlight. All you need to do, you can just open your browser on your phone. You can write, copy blank name like this. You can choose on here, invisible character, blank text. You can tap on that. You can copy to clipboard. Tap on here. You can open the Instagram again, tap on hold, edit highlight. You can remove the name and paste the blank name that we just copy. Now you can tap on done. So it will turns out like this. You have highlight with the blank name on your Instagram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to have blank name on your Instagram highlight. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!